What's up everybody, it's Bip, and today we're diving into the future of finance, looking at the SPX69000. We're talking potential massive growth over the next decade, but is it actually going to happen? That's what we're here to break down. This isn't about getting rich quick, this is about understanding how to analyze an investment and make smart decisions with your money. The market could boom, it could bust. But by understanding the potential of the SPX69000, you can start positioning yourself for financial success today. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, so 2025, what does it hold for the SPX69000? Experts predict a strong start to the decade. We're talking potential 10 to 15% growth, and that's not chump change, especially if you're playing the long game. Why the optimism? The underlying technologies driving the SPX69000 are cutting-edge, capable of disrupting entire industries. But 2025 is also a year where we need to be cautious. Early adoption doesn't always equal long-term success. We need to keep an eye on the competition, regulations, and any unforeseen challenges that might pop up. Now 2026 is where things start to get really interesting. This is the year where we expect to see major adoption of the SPX69000, driven by influencers. As more people use and talk about the SPX69000, its value increases. It's the network effect in action. But not all influencers are equal. We need to be discerning about who we trust. There's going to be a lot of noise out there, don't fall for it. So, we're at 2027 and by now, the SPX69000 is well and truly on the map. We're seeing widespread adoption, the technology is maturing, and investors are starting to take notice. Predicting a specific number is impossible, but we can look at historical data, market trends, and expert opinions to give us a range. Based on our analysis, we're expecting the SPX69000 to trade somewhere between $5,000 and $7,500 by the end of 2027. Even at the lower end of that range, we're talking about some pretty impressive returns. 2028. Buckle up because this is where things could get wild. We're talking about a year that could see major market shifts, both positive and negative. On the one hand, we could see the SPX69000 continue its upward trajectory, fueled by strong economic growth and continued adoption. But on the other hand, we could also see a market correction, a pullback from the highs of the previous years. Alright, 2029, we're officially past the halfway point of our journey. By now, the SPX69000 has established itself as a major player, and we're starting to see some real momentum build. This is the year where we expect to see the technology behind the SPX69000 really start to shine with new applications and partnerships. While there will always be fluctuations, the overall trend is clear up. 2030, a brand new decade, and the SPX69000 is leading the charge. Technology is revolutionizing our lives, work, and interactions. The SPX69000 has transformative potential. For investors, this is where the real payoff begins. We're talking about life-changing returns. This is about understanding long-term thinking. 2031, and the SPX69000 is facing its next big test. The market is becoming increasingly complex, with new competitors emerging, and the regulatory landscape constantly shifting. This is where it becomes crucial to separate the signal from the noise. Stick to the fundamentals. Focus on the underlying technology, the team behind the SPX69000, and the long-term vision. Stay focused, stay informed, and you'll be well positioned to navigate whatever the market throws your way. So, here we are in 2032, and the million-dollar question is, what's the SPX69000 going to be worth? Now, I can't give you an exact number, no one can. But based on our analysis, we're looking at a potential price range of $20,000 to $30,000. We're talking about a technology that's fundamentally reshaping the world around us. Of course, there are risks. There always are. But for those who did their research and had the courage to hold on for the long haul, the rewards could be truly life-changing. 2033, and things are looking good for the SPX69000. The price is stable, adoption is at an all-time high, and the future seems bright. But as any seasoned investor knows, periods of calm are often followed by periods of volatility. This is the year where we need to be extra vigilant, to keep a close eye on the market, and be prepared for any sudden shifts. If you've done your research and you believe in the long-term potential of the SPX69000, then a temporary dip in the market shouldn't deter you. We made it 2034, the final year of our SPX69000 journey. And what a journey it's been. We've seen incredible highs, weathered some storms, and come out the other side with a deep understanding of this game-changing technology. The future is never certain, but one thing's for sure, the SPX69000 has the potential to be a major force in the years to come. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember the lessons we've learned along the way. Do your research, think long-term, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. So there you have it, a glimpse into the potential future of the SPX69000. The market is a wild ride, always changing, always challenging us to adapt and evolve. But by staying informed, thinking critically, and never stopping learning, you can navigate the ups and downs and come out ahead. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.